This is the Math 1 Unit 1 review. Solutions. Number 1 says -2 times 5 times 5m minus 3. So this is an example of our distribution property, so I'll distribute that. So a negative and a positive, a negative and a negative. Number 2, negative times -6 minus 2m. So you can think of this as a -1 out front if you want. Okay. Distribute, so we get +6 and -2m. Number 3, 4x minus 7y minus 10x plus y. Okay. So this is an example of combining like terms. So I realize that my 4x and my -10x are alike, so that's -6x. And then my -7y and my +y, and I can think of that as 1y, so that's -6y. Number 4, 3x plus 7y minus 11x plus 5y. Okay. So looking at this, 3x and -11, that is -8x. And then adding my last two over here, that's +12y. Okay. Number 5. Is 2a squared b minus 4ab squared plus 5a squared b. So these are not all alike. So that's a single a and that's a double a. So a to the second. So this one doesn't have a like term. So these two do. So that's 7a squared b. This is combining like terms or adding. So I am not changing the powers. Number 6, -5m to the third n plus 2m to the third n to the third plus m to the third n. Looking at my first term, my last term are alike. That's a 1 right there, so that's -m to the third n plus 2m to the third n to the third. Number 7, now we're changing to solving. A couple of different ways I could do these. I'm going to go ahead and use the distributive property though to do it. So I'll distribute first, then I'll add 21 to both sides, and that gives me 3n equals 33. Divide by 3, and n equals 11. Number 8, -5 times n plus 1 equals -25. So I'll distribute first. -5n minus 5 equals -25. I'll add 5 to both sides. So I get -5n equals -20. I'll divide by -5. And n equals +4.